How's it going, everyone? Wanted to show you guys a video of all the lights I got at the house. Here's one on the pomegranate I got in the backyard. Got my finger on the light because it's basically blinding. But that's the only one I got in the backyard. And then over in this section, got one on my mango tree here. And get to the other side. Here's the one on the mango tree. And I got two on this guava tree. Lights it up real well. And then got a floodlight on this fountain here. And another light on this mandarin. You can see him out. I'll walk out. I gotta still put some on these other trees. This is a lemon and another Thai guava. But for now, this is enough to light up the area pretty well. In the front, I've put more lights. It's much better. You walk over there right now. Pretty dark right now because I don't have lights on the side of the house. Need to put like a little floodlight or something. Canelo, stay there. So here in the front, I've got pathway lights for my flagstone patio leading up to the house. Got 5 of them. These are the original bulbs that came with them that are a little orangey. This one right here is a new one. It's a LED. Well, I guess they're all LEDs, but this one's a more powerful and a white LED. That's why it's a little different colored. Then I got one on this loquat tree. And one out here on the plum tree. The goal of these is to be able to walk through the garden with seeing everything. And they're a little bit darker on the video, but I can pretty much see the whole garden. And you know where they're at. They give good lighting. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video showing the lighting at the house because a couple of you have asked about it in the garden tour videos.